Hey, it's me. I'm watching for fireworks and seeing fireworks before 4th of July. It's fun. It's just literally walking around my neighborhood. Yes, I have seen some. I'm gonna post both of these videos, but this ended the first one ended really quick. So what we're gonna do is just walk around my neighborhood and see if we can catch any fireworks. It's fun watching some fireworks get lit off. I'm hearing fireworks down here. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm not even filming people, we're just looking for fireworks, and that's literally all I'm doing is trying to see if I can catch a lot of the fireworks. I'm literally going in the middle of the road to I just need to get up a little more and then you'll see more fireworks. Yeah. Just like wow, that was pretty. I'm not going far from my house because I really need to go home to upload this. It's kind of a weird thing, seeing fireworks before fireworks is supposed to come out, and it's like a big thing. Like, people do this because people do it after 2, so like a week after, there's fireworks going, like literally all the time. It's like cool, but fireworks are very loud and it scares the living shit out of my son. If my son was at home now, he would be freaked out because fireworks. I don't know about fireworks, but they all freak him out. Ow. I'm going around my neighborhood, probably more than one. Let me zoom out a little bit so no one's gonna get freaked out that it's zoomed in. This police officer. Well, I better stop filming because there is people that don't like me around. So you did see a few fireworks. Yeah. So guys, love ya. Goodbye.